Hi guys, I am out here pulling the hybrid carrot Sugarsnax 54 that I planted out here in these front planters. I tried 3 different carrots this year, and I had tomatoes back here. I had those I had Sweet 100s, yeah, Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. So I just put these in the front just to kind of fill it out for me a little bit, and it has the full length of this bucket to have grown and developed. I just did a video on this Ferry Morris Easy Tape. I think these are the Natties variety. I'm not exactly sure. It was very easy to plant these because of the seed tape. This is probably the largest one that I got out of here. So let me just compare this to the Sugarsnax here, or snack. Okay, now we've already tasted and had these. Just taste like a normal carrot. I'm not sure if these are going to be sweeter or not. I'm not gonna try these out here. It's full of dirt. But I thought I would go ahead and pick the rest, and let's see if this was an anomaly or not. Oh God, that's a thick one. Good gracious alive. Okay, I'm gonna move this seed packet. It is snowing out here, as you can see. We're starting to get a winter storm. So I wanted to come out here and get these carrots just in case they were to freeze or to freeze up. These look a little bit mangled. Odd. So I will try and salvage the most out of this as I possibly can. Still gonna eat the same. Oh, this one's gonna be smaller too. Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna come over here to this bucket. And I like to just leave my leaves right here. I'm gonna collect these in the spring, so I don't worry anything about my leaves. I don't go and try and rake them up all over the yard. I did rake some to put on the garden bed in the back, the new pandemic bed that I've got. And I also put them, oh my God, this one's a little bit hard to get up, in sort of a little leaf mold cage back there. And I did bury some in some pots here and there so that they can start to compost down in place. So my beds will be, I don't know, not prepared, but a little bit of a head start. Oh, I've got 2 little ones here. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna take that and add these to the bucket. And I'm going to go in the house, get these cleaned up, store some of them, roast some of them. Clearly this first one was just really the champion of the carrots. So, nice big bucket of carrots in the end between those 2 varieties. I've got one more variety that I haven't pulled yet. Some of it's right here. The other patch is over here, which gets a little bit more sun. It will get some of the solar bank of the concrete here to help it along. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this alone. I think this is another Ferry Morris carrot seed packet that I picked up, but I don't think it has the tape in it. I think I individually did this. So when you're planting directly into the ground that is at foot level, it was easier to use the seed tape. When you're planting something into a bucket that's raised like this, I had no problem. It really wasn't backbreaking for me, I guess you would say, to go ahead and to plant these in these buckets. Same thing could be said for the individual lettuce that I planted up here in this salad bowl area. And you can see some of it here. I've left it for the rabbits or anyone who wants it, or any animal that wants it. I just sat down and did it, basically. And then I had a little bit more control over it. The seed tape is easy, great for beginners. I really don't feel like I have all that much control over some of it. But nonetheless, I'm going to enjoy both of these carrots. I'm going to go ahead and go inside because my hands are freezing. Just wanted to let you know how the carrots turned out here. And in the back tomato bins. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.